Hey, good Wednesday morning. Let's get started with some U.S. history here. We're going to start off by making some additions to our digital notebook. So if you will go ahead and open up that digital notebook that you downloaded and go ahead and let's scroll down to our table of contents and click on that. We're going to come in here right after exploration. And we're going to start a new little section, and we're going to call that colonization, and it's going to start on slide 6. That's why we're putting the 6 there. So add to your table of contents, slide 6, colonization. Now we're going to slide down here. Here are the notes that you worked on Monday and Tuesday, along with that summary section that you created yesterday. We're going to go here right in between slide 5 and 6 and click. And we're going to put in here a new slide of ruled paper. That's the one we want to click on. And we see that we have it over here. Okay, let's go ahead and title this up. This is called colonization. We're going to go over here. This is going to be slide 6. And we're going to label this first button as Jamestown, and then we're going to skip down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we're going to make this one Plymouth. All right, so we've got those two there. So now let's go back up here to Jamestown, and we're going to tab in one space, and we're going to call this Why. Why was this settlement founded? The next one, we're going to call it founded. We're going to talk about the year. The next one, we're going to call it troubles. And then one more, we're going to call it successes. And then, let's go ahead and delete so we can pull Plymouth back up here. And we're going to do the same thing for Plymouth. We're going to tab in one. We're going to call it Y. Founded. Whoa. That's not what I wanted. There we go. Troubles. And successes. Okay, so now we have our new page of notes ready to go, and as you watch the notes video, you're probably going to want to pause it from time to time and come fill in each of these for both Jamestown and Plymouth. And there's not a lot, okay? So you're not going to be in here typing all day long. There's just a couple of things under each one, and I will point those out to you specifically. So I'm going to go ahead and end this video now that we've got our notebook set up. And if you will click on the next video, the one called Notes Video, all right? This one was called Notebook Video. The next one is the Notes Video, and that's where you're going to get your notes to put into your notebook here. So check out that next video.